They must be boiling.
Yeah, I know. They have to stand there for so long as well. Pan around here.
Quite fun.
Yeah, it was
Interesting.
yeah, I could say that.
I do understand what they mean. It was like overcrowded. It
Yeah.
definitely was.
I don't even know if I'm going to put this as a vlog. It would be like 10 seconds.
Yeah, maybe just add it into like.
Add it into something else.
Add it to like London fashion.
Oh, that's a very good idea. Okay, so you're in a video, yeah? I don't know if it's going to get you. Okay. So what did you think of Fashion Hong Kong?
I think that it was
Can barely see
a
you.
little bit. Oh, should we wait until there's light?
Yeah.
So what did I think of Fashion Hong Kong? I think
Yeah.
that it was quirky. It was everything that you think Hong Kong would be. I don't actually think I saw any like Asian models though,
No, they were like walking
which
out.
was surprising.
Yeah.
I thought they would either really push that or I don't know. They have to have a
Have that as a focus.
it's one of those diversity things, isn't it?
Okay, so
Like, you
out
have to
of
be so correct.
yeah, so out of 10, what is your rating?
I'd say the show was really beautiful. I'd give
Yeah.
that like an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
But the venue was a really poor choice
Okay.
and they really over-invited people.
Okay.
I think it was kind of like a free-for-all, anyone
Okay.
sort of thing. What about you?
Well, I would give it probably like a 7. I'm not gonna lie.
7?
The show was good, like all the art and that,
Yeah, it was nice.
but it was overly packed. Like they didn't think it
Yeah,
out.
it was uncomfortable. Like, it was supposed to be a cocktail reception and we didn't even get a drink. So,
Exactly.
bad time for me.
I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this because it's like super short. I'll probably just put it in the like London Fashion Week vlog like all together. But yeah, I hope you like that.